Okay, did anyone find a TQ similar to each other? Donald, can you tell me whose TQ you were similar to?
Well, my TQ was similar to Lauren's because ours both came from the packet that says my personal budget, and and we're both doing parts of that.
Okay, Donald, would you like to go up?
Okay.
Can you hand me your 3-column notes?
Yes. My initial question is research different types of cars and the cost of those cars. Your monthly car payment plus insurance plus gas should not be more than 15% of your monthly net income. And some key academic vocabulary is that monthly net income is your amount of money in each month after taxes has been taken. And the monthly insurance is the amount of money used in case a car is damaged or stolen. And what I know about my question so far is that the equation for finding monthly gas is average gallons over month divided by miles per gallon times price of the gallon. And my max car budget per month is $729.45 because you have to take the monthly net income times 15%, which is done right here. Okay, so my tutorial question is, now that I have my monthly car payment, after I get my monthly insurance, how do I find the monthly gas price?
Can we go on the back of our note cards and also